Friends, first of all, we are thanking Honorable Prime Minister for sanctioning railway line to Amaravati. As on today, Vijayawada Guntur is covered. It is going on the other side of the city. Now with this connectivity, Amaravati is connected to all other cities in the country, all capitals, either Chennai or Hyderabad or Bangalore or Calcutta and various cities or various capitals it is going to connect. And also it is 57 kilometers distance. It is nearly 2,245 crores. They are going to complete within 4 years' time. Even across Krishna River, it is looking very beautiful. Honorable Railway Minister Sri Ashwini Vaishnav Garu, I am requesting you, make it a iconic bridge, railway bridge. It will go a long way. Because in Amaravati, we are working one of the best city in the country itself. It is a new capital, and also city is developing, shaping very well, and also central government has supported for finance and so many ways. I really appreciate central government and thanking central government, particularly especially Narendra Modi ji. Very short time, you are able to take to the cabinet. Cabinet also sanctioned immediately.